Hi children, good morning. Today we are learning capital and small letters A to Z. I will show you how to write in 4 lines. Okay children, start writing. Slanting line, sleeping line. Capital A. Capital letters must be in first 3 letters. Okay children? Next. 3 lines, sorry. Next, small C and one curve. Small a. Okay? Capital A, small a. Standing line, curve. Capital B. Standing line, curve. Small b. Capital C, small c. Small letter in middle line. Okay? Capital D. Standing line, curve. Capital D. Standing line, curve. Small d. Standing line, sleeping line. Capital E. Small e. Curve and one small curve. Small e. A, B, C, D, E. F. Capital F. Standing line, sleeping line. Okay, capital F. Small f, also in 3 lines. Standing line and one small curve. Okay, sleeping line. Capital F, small f. Capital G, curve in 3 lines. Okay, small g. Start here, write small c and one standing line. It must touch down line. Okay children? Capital G, small g. Capital H. Standing line, sleeping line. Capital H. Okay? Small h. Standing line, one curve. Small h. I. Standing line, sleeping line. Capital I. Small I. In between these 2 lines, standing line and one dot. Small I. Capital J. Sleeping line, standing line and one curve. Okay? This is capital J. Small j, we have to start here from second line. Okay? It must touch the down line. Okay? Standing line and one small curve. One dot. Small j. F, G, H, I, J. K. Standing line and one slanting line. It must come from top line, okay? And from middle, it must touch the down line. Okay children? K, look here. Standing line, it must touch this middle and from here it go down. Capital K. Small k. In between these 2 lines only we have to write this slanting lines. Okay children? Small k. Capital L. Standing line, sleeping line. Capital L. Small l. Standing line. Okay? M. Capital M. Standing line, slanting line. From up it must come down. Slanting line and one coming between these two lines. Small m, small curves. Okay, small m. Capital N, standing line, slanting line, and one standing line. In these three lines, see. Small n, standing line, and one curve. Okay? O, it must touch three lines. Capital O, small o in between these two lines. Repeat, children. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Capital P. Standing line in first three lines. One curve in these two lines. Capital P. Small p we have to write from second line. It must touch the fourth line. Okay? One curve in middle line. Two lines. Capital P. Small p. Q. In three lines. One circle. And one line. Capital Q. Small q. Small c. And one standing line and one slanting line. Small q. R. Capital R, standing line, curve, slanting line. R. Capital R. Small r in these two middle lines. Two curves. Small r. Capital S. Curve and one curve in first three lines. Small s in middle two lines only. Capital S, small s. Capital T, sleeping line and one standing line in first three lines. Small t, standing line and one curve, sleeping line. Okay, children? P, Q, R, S, T. U. You have to write standing line and small curve and one standing line. Okay? In first three lines. Small u in middle line. Middle two lines. Okay? Capital U, small u. V, slanting line, slanting line. Capital V, small v. Slanting lines in two middle lines only. Okay? Capital V, small v. W, standing line, slanting line, slanting line, standing line in three lines. Small w in middle two lines. X. Capital X, slanting line. Again, slanting line. It must touch these three lines. Small x in middle two lines. Capital X, small x. Capital Y. One slanting line in first two lines. Slanting line in three lines. Capital Y. Small y. Middle two lines and it must touch the fourth line. Small y. Capital Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Okay? Small z in this middle two lines. Sleeping line, slanting line and sleeping line. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, children?